It's April 8th, 2019, and this is your 5 minutes of crypto. So I'm taking a look at coinmarketcap.com, and the price of Bitcoin is currently sitting at $5,265.76. It's up about 1.17% on the day, and Ethereum is also up 2.46%, and is currently sitting at $179.72. So now, even though the top two currencies by market cap are up today, the next three, XRP, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash, are actually slightly down today, with XRP being down over 1% and both Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash being down over 4%. So let's see what's making news in the cryptocurrency space today, and I'll start with this article here. This article is basically talking, it's by dailyhodl.com, and it's actually talking about something that CZ, the Binance CEO, revealed today. He basically said that they're seeing on the Binance exchange the most number of orders that they've ever seen, even higher than what it was when the last bull run was running around December 2017 and January 2018. That's when Bitcoin hit a price of near 20K. So basically what he's saying is the fact that price can go up so quickly means that there was actually a lot of money waiting to buy into Bitcoin. So it's probably all those people that sold Bitcoin and took their profits in the last year, since it spiked from, like, who knows, $1,000 to 20K almost in the peak of the bull run. And so that money is probably has been sitting on the sidelines, and now that everyone is starting to think that 3K or 4K was the bottom, and they're starting to slowly put that money back into the market and get ready for the next run up. The next article I want to take a look at is this one by CNBC.com, and it's basically saying that there was a podcast by Elon Musk where he was talking about digital currency, and he was alluding to the fact that paper money is going away. So they're looking into this, his podcast, in more detail, and he also said crypto is a far better way to transfer value than pieces of paper. That's for sure. And he said that was in the For Your Innovation podcast. And basically, I think even though he said this, that cryptocurrency is a better way to transfer value, he said that doesn't mean that Tesla is going to be getting involved in creating a digital currency or getting involved with digital currencies. And in my personal opinion, I think that's because he already has so many issues with the SEC with his own Tesla stock, and you know how his tweets have been, affecting the price of Tesla in the stock market. So I'm sure he doesn't want the SEC coming after him for another thing. Although he was joking on April Fool's Day about being the CEO of Dogecoin, and saying that he stepped down as the CEO. All right, so for the next article I wanted to take a look at, it's actually this one by Cointelegraph.com. And an actual New York Times reporter reported that Facebook is actually seeking $1 billion in venture capital for a crypto project. And the reason they're doing this is because they want to, first of all, create a stable coin. It's going to be pegged to a basket of foreign currencies held in bank accounts across the world. And the reason they want it to be funded by investors rather than funded by their own money is because they want to give that idea of decentralization. Although I don't understand how that makes the project decentralized. First of all, if it's a stable coin that's going to be pegged to real currency, that I think that completely kills the decentralized aspect of it. But yeah, as always, do your own research. Obviously, it's not something, I don't understand why someone would invest in you know a Facebook coin when there's so many other options out there with proper decentralized currencies. But don't take my opinion for granted. Everyone's free to do their own research and invest in the projects that they like. All right, and then I guess this might be my last article if I don't have enough time. Basically, it's by CoinRivet.com that says that a trader actually closed a $34 million Bitcoin short position following the reversal signal. So now that big cryptocurrencies have been going up over the past week, so you can see here, these were all the short positions on crypto, and the recent dump here basically shows all those short positions that were closed out. And that's about the reason it's so big is because it was $34 million. So I guess this might be signaling a trend reversal. Although last time this many short positions were closed, Bitcoin spiked quite significantly. I don't think we saw that today, but it is slowly trending up. So let's see what happens in the short term.